Alrighty, good morning, y'all. It's a wonderful July 17th Saturday, I believe, if I got all that right. At the Salmo Basin Trail. Gonna do the Salmo-Priest loop. Just doing a day hike today. So, long day hike, very long day hike. It's right about 19 miles is what it says it's gonna be. So, putting the legs to the test today, but should be a good one. There's supposed to be really good views, and with all the fires going on in the surrounding Pacific Northwest area, this surprisingly happened to be one of the most clear areas around. So here I am, and yeah, looking forward to it. Been wanting to get out here for a long time now, so just solo hiking it and gonna knock it out in one day. And yeah, it's about 6 a.m. a little over 50 degrees, and yeah, it's a really good day out, so gonna have fun out here, and yeah, we'll see how long this takes. Okay, so quick little update. I am about 3 miles in, right at about an hour and a half now. So it's like 7:30 right now, and been buzzing right along. Went straight downhill, exactly like the map said I would. I think we've lost 1,800 feet of elevation, and looks like we're about to climb right here after this. So just taking a quick break, grabbing some water, eating a snack or two here, and at this cool little campsite actually. If you were to come in a little late maybe, and just want to pick up a few miles before you did the rest of the loop, this is a great campsite here. First river crossing, nice and easy as well. As you can see, it's pretty low there. Crossed over a down tree as is, but even if the tree wasn't there, you could easily get right across that. But it's been a really cool hike thus far. As I said earlier, this forest is incredible. Actually kind of reminds me of the Olympic rainforest area over on the west side of the state. Obviously not near as wet and moist like it is over there, but just the density of this forest is pretty cool. I mean, the entire trip has been just, you know, stuck in the middle of the woods, if you will, and yeah, it's been a really cool hike thus far, and looking forward to seeing what happens when we start climbing here. I'm sure we're gonna start to pick up some views here sooner than later, and yeah, just keep trucking along here, and I imagine by the time I get to lunch, probably be somewhere around the Shed Roof Mountain, I believe is what it's called, somewhere towards the lookout area, and so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, looking forward to it. It's been a great hike thus far.
about 3:30. We're on the last little stretch here, so just about to switch back towards going back to the Salmo Basin trailhead. So my GPS is saying that I have 3 miles left, which would be about 1.5 miles shorter than what I anticipated, but most any and all trips this year, it's been quite accurate. So yeah, and just looking at it, it looks pretty darn close. So pretty hot out right now. Thermometer says it's only 75, but it sure feels hotter than that. But yeah, all in all, it's been a really good day, man. It's been a really good day. I had a lot of fun out here, and challenging hike for sure. Not overly challenging for, someone that's experienced. I certainly wouldn't recommend doing this trek in one day if you haven't done something comparable to this. But yeah, if you're looking for a physical, mental challenge for the day and really just want to have some stunning country dang near to yourself, this isn't a bad place to do it. So I would definitely come hike this again. Weather's been fantastic today, and as I mentioned earlier in the day, it's nice that there's no smoke rolling in from Canada or central Washington. And so yeah, it's been a good day. Just gonna kind of cool off here for a little bit more before I get back into the sun and direct heat, and yeah, just try to push through this last little stretch here. Like I said, it says I got 3 miles left. I am almost entirely out of water, so I kind of took the gamble. But yeah, I think for the most part that should pay off. So yeah, we'll see what's in store for this last couple of miles here, and see if we get some more good views or what happens. So